Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Delonghi Gran Dama espresso machine. We had to replace the coupling. A lot of times when your milk frother isn't working, isn't sucking milk, this coupling, this black coupling in here needs to be replaced. The plastic in it goes bad, and they actually did release a new version of the coupling. There seemed to be some manufacturing defect. So let's go ahead and test the machine. We're just using water, that way we don't have to clean it, but you can see that the suction will work well. You can see it's sucking the water out of the pitcher. Good, nice strong stream. There, that's in position 2. I didn't like what I did there because I had it in position 1 for a cappuccino. Cappuccino should be in position 2 because there's more foam. So you can see it's working well. So thank you for pairing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.